What's going on, everybody? Victor here from BMW of Bridgewater. So in order for me personally to give you the best information, the best customer service possible, I do that by doing one thing more than anybody else. You know what that is? Listening. In my previous career, number one, it was always customer service. And we did that by listening to the customer's wants and needs. And the number one thing that I hear from all of my clients is safety. Safety features. Now, I gotta tell you, BMW was just voted number one by IIHS for number one safety vehicle, beating out Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, and of course, Volvo. That's right, I said it. BMW is now number one when it comes to safety with their X3, beating out all other brands. It's actually an honor for me to say that because I love the brand, believe in the brand so much. Now that I can actually let my clients know that we're number one in that, it's even better. So what makes us number one? Honestly, there's a bunch of different things, a huge list that I can go on and on and on about, but I'm gonna show you one thing too, which we actually don't even think about too much. We get this full wrap-around tail light. It's not just in the back. Wraps around to the side of the car so everybody on the side can see exactly what you're doing. The same thing with the front. The headlights are not just in the front, they wrap around the side of the car slightly so you get full vision and everybody can see you coming down the road. That's also important when you're driving on back roads here in Jersey. You get a lot of deer, you get a lot of critters. Last thing you want is to be driving down and not seeing that deer, bam, come right in front of your car out of nowhere. We've all been on that road. We've all been down that experience as well. So another cool thing too is not just the front emergency braking. If somebody cuts you off, it goes bam, it'll actually brake before you can even blink or even think for that matter. So why is that important too? Because if there ever wasn't an accident, not only will the engine actually drop so it doesn't push right through the cabin and hurt you and your family, BMW is gonna call you right in the car, say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Customer, how are you doing? I can see that you were in an accident. Do you need 911? Do you need roadside assistance? We got your back in your car, and I got your back for life. Guys, if you need anything for you and your family, want to drive one of the safest vehicles, the safest vehicle on the road right now, honestly, give me a call. Whether it's you, friends, family, I would be honored to help. 908-437-8721. Thank you again, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. BMW. It's the best of all worlds, baby. I love it. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. Once again, my name is Victor from BMW of Bridgewater, 1908-287-1800, extension 113. Just ask for Victor. That is my direct line, and we'll talk to you soon.